In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Zoho CRM Kiosk. A kiosk view is a focused, simplified screen inside Zoho CRM that helps users quickly enter or review information in a streamlined layout. It is especially useful when you want the interface to match a specific workflow, rather than showing every field and option that might exist in the full CRM experience. To begin, open your Zoho CRM account and navigate to the main setup area. From there, go to Setup, then Customization, and then Kiosk. As you click through these menus, you should see the Kiosk section where all your kiosk views are managed. This is the place where you will create new kiosk experiences, configure what triggers them, and arrange what users see. Once you are inside the kiosk area, you are ready to start building your first kiosk. Click the option to Create New Kiosk. After that, you will be asked to select the target module. The target module is the main part of CRM that this kiosk will support, such as leads, contacts, deals, or another module you manage in your organization. Take a moment to choose the module that matches the workflow you want to improve. Selecting the correct module ensures that the fields, data, and actions you design will work properly for the records you care about. With the module selected, the next important step is setting the trigger criteria for the kiosk view. This part defines when and how the kiosk view is used. In other words, trigger criteria help determine the conditions under which the kiosk will show up or apply, based on the logic you choose. As you configure this, pay attention to the options presented in the interface. You want to make sure the kiosk view aligns with the exact situation you want your users to handle. This also keeps users from seeing a kiosk that is not relevant to their current work. Now that the kiosk is connected to the right module and triggers, you can design the interface. This is where you create a clean and practical screen. Use the drag and drop tools provided in Zoho CRM Kiosk to design the layout. You will add and arrange fields and components so that the kiosk is easy to use. As you drag elements onto the page, consider the order your users will follow. For example, you may want key fields near the top so they can be filled in quickly. You can also adjust spacing and placement so the view does not feel cluttered. While you are designing, focus on clarity rather than completeness. A kiosk is meant to simplify the experience. If there are too many fields on the screen, users will spend time searching instead of completing the task. Arrange the components in a way that makes sense for the workflow. Also, make sure the fields you add are the ones that users actually need for their current process. This is the best way to ensure the kiosk delivers real value. After you finish the layout, the kiosk is not fully ready until you save it. Save your changes first. Saving ensures your progress is stored and you can safely return to the kiosk if you need further adjustments. Then you will publish the kiosk. Publishing activates the kiosk so users can access it in the intended way, based on the trigger criteria and the module you selected earlier. Once you click Publish, give Zoho CRM a moment to apply the update. After publication, you should be able to access the kiosk view as users would in your CRM environment. If something does not look right, you can usually return to the kiosk configuration and adjust the fields, components, or criteria, then save and publish again. And that covers everything you need to know. You now know how to go to Setup, create a new kiosk, select the target module, set the trigger criteria, design the interface with drag-and-drop fields and components, and then save and publish your kiosk so your team can use it right away. And that is all there is to it.